Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on February 10th, 2016. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence when trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So I'm going to go over a stock that we've traded in the past. This is ticker symbol BFRE. Okay, right now, okay, it's what I call a patient play, an accumulation play. Okay, all you guys got to do is simply sit on that bid. Okay, because there is a seller at 18, and I think he's gonna be panicking at some point, and you guys will be able to load all the shares you want. Okay, you got a seller here at 18 with 2,900, 2.9 million shares, and we're gonna start bidding here at 11 to about 15. And now, why is that? Okay, if you come over here, this is the weekly chart. Okay, I'm gonna pan out and I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing. Okay, if you notice this back in 2014, we had a big rally here. This is a weekly chart. If you notice, when this stock was under serious several month accumulation, okay, this stock had nice rallies from this level. So what does that mean? This is called what do we call it again? Return to the scene of the crime. Okay, this is the return to the scene of the crime because every time it hits this line, okay, this thing rallies. Okay, so it rallies here from about 18 to about, let's say, 45. So you already got 10 to 18 to 45 there. But the biggest rally, okay, was back in October of 2014. And if you notice, this stock rallied from 0.002 all the way up to 0.0 to 10 cents. Okay, this is 10 cents. So I got to fix this. This is 10 cents. Okay, so that's a huge move. So risk reward ratio is on your side here. Okay, so risk reward ratio is on your side here. Now take a look at this. You have two bullish reversal candles here in December and January. This stock ended up hitting a low of 11 and then hit a high of 30. Okay, 11 to 30, that's about 180, 190%. Okay, so what we're looking at is we're going to start adding in this box pattern. This is your buy zone. I'm putting a buy zone, a very, very generous buy zone from BFRE from 11 to 15. My pivot break is going to be 29. My pivot, let me spell this. I misspelled this. My pivot 2 is going to be 0047. And ultimately, okay, if you notice this thing hit level here, okay, back in October 2014. The charts don't lie. You entered at 0.002 all the way up to 10 cents. So that's a huge move. Okay, so if you come over here, I'm bidding. I'm just letting you guys know that I'm bidding somewhere around this range. I'm bidding from 11 to 13, and I actually triggered here. Okay, I triggered a starter at 13 and 15 on February 10th, 2016. So that's my buy zone. I don't mind holding. Okay, I don't mind holding because I like the risk reward here. Okay, any questions on that trade? Any questions on ticker symbol BFRE, Blue Fire Renewables? Okay, no questions thus far. Very, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I want to look at the OTC and I want to kind of find out what this company does. So I'm going to click on BFRE. I use OTC markets, pinksheets.com. Sometimes they're not up to date. But what I like about it, okay, 52-week range right now is 11 to 45. So we have master support out of 11. Okay, right now you got an average volume of 30 days, 1.7 million. You're trading about 5 times its volume. That's good. So that means that we got some liquidity there. Okay, so that's good. We're going to come over here and we're going to look outstanding shares as of October 26, 2015, 249 million. You got a float as of September 30th, 2010. You may have to check the filings. 11.5 million. Thus far, I like the trade. Okay, so what does this company do? Okay, Blue Fire Renewables, formerly known as Blue Fire Ethanol Fuels, deploys a commercially ready, patented, and proven technology for the profitable conversion of cellulosic waste materials to ethanol, a viable alternative to gasoline. Okay, so if we click this link, we got a working website here. Very, very nice website. very professional. So that's a good point. Okay, so we're gonna come out here. Now we're gonna check out the news. We're gonna see how. Okay, no news. We're gonna check filings and disclosures. Okay, you have filings here. As of December 22, you have a 13G and you have an 8K. So it's active. OTC pin current is what we like. Companies that follow the international reporting standard, the alternate reporting standard, or are current in the SEC reporting obligations. So they are current. So the company is in business. So this is very, very good for us. So again, this is our buy zone. We're going to go nice and long here, and we're going to be very, very patient with our entries. Now, let me review a couple of other stocks. Okay, a lot of stocks are being sent out via SMS, and some traders just don't like buying on the silence. That's okay by me. Okay, but if we notice all these stocks that have triggered LEAS, NWPN, SOUL, SVT, it gave plenty of opportunity. Okay, I just think that what's happening is traders are not utilizing the setups. They're not utilizing the tools. Okay, right now it's very, very calm. The calm before the storm, what I call. Okay, we're gonna start looking to bid here. We want this guy to end up selling somewhere over here because he does not know what's going on. Okay, that's your setup. Any questions? Any questions with that setup? Any questions with that setup? Okay, so far everybody's clear then. Everybody understands the setup. Everybody understands the move that it had back in October 2014. Everybody knows to be very, very patient. Very, very good. I'm going to go over to the next set of the next stock. Okay, this is ticker symbol SRCO. Okay, ticker symbol SRCO, Sparta Commercial Services, is in what you call a line of symmetry trade. Same trade as SOUL, same trade as SVTE, very, very same trade as all the trades that we pretty much traded. Okay, these line of symmetry trades right now, the double zero stocks are very, very hot. I added this stock yesterday at 12 to about 14. Okay, so this is my buy zone. This is my entry. This is where I got in, 12 to 14. So now what I want traders to kind of look at, okay, we're going to look at for an entry and we're going to keep a tight stop below that 10 level. Okay, so we're going to come over here on SRCO, and if you notice here, 4.4 million, and this is your buy zone here. Level 2 looks very, very clean. Okay, we want to see a pivot break of 0.0024 here. This is going to give us an opportunity to add all these shares here patiently. Okay, if you look here, okay, the return to the scene of the crime is right here, and that's that low of 25, and we got upside potential up to 0.0096. So very beautiful profit potential. So scene of the crime, SRCO, scene of the crime is 0.0025. Last run was 2.0096. Okay, that's a very beautiful risk to reward ratio. Okay, there should be no reason why traders shouldn't do well on this trade. Low risk. You got a low risk of 30% to about 300%. Okay, that's your risk reward ratio there. Okay, any questions on the SRCO? Okay, no questions. We're going to come on to the SRCO now. Let's look at the SRCO. Okay, SRCO authorized shares right now 750 million as of August 26, 2014. You got a flow of just 57 million as of September 2015. Okay, very, very nice share structure. Sparta Commercial Services is a technology company that provides a wide range of mobile app tools, products, and services. We also provide vehicle history reports and municipal leasing programs. Okay, it's an OTCQB. Okay, this is pretty good. OTCQB is the top tier in the OTCs. Okay, if you come over here, you're looking at the Sparta website. Beautiful working website here, Sparta Commercial Services. Very, very nicely done. Okay, that's good so far. Now, if we come here, we're going to go up to the news. Let's take a look at the news. January 5th, 2016, Sparta Commercial's iMobile app, product chosen by large e-commerce site. Okay, this is very, very good. So they have news. Reported today that recent iMobile app client, BUDK, let's click on that link. Very, very nice link right here. Very, very nice link. Okay, so this is pretty good. So they have a mobile app. Okay, and they have some videos here that you guys can look at. So very, very good trade here on the Sparta. If you come over to the filings, okay, the financials, there you go. You have some financials, and you have a filing that was just sent out February 4th, 2016. Okay, so you guys want to kind of take a look at that. Okay, so very, very good. Start looking for the levels. Again, we're simply going to play this trade. If you notice here, okay, pivot low, you hit a high. Pivot low, you hit a high. Pivot low, high. Pivot low, high. And now you're at pivot low. Okay, so that's a great trade. And if you come over here to the radio silent play, you have the setup here perfectly. Starter 12 to 14 on February 9th, 16. That's where I entered it. Okay, full disclosure. Traders don't need to buy this stock if they don't want to. I'm on the bid from 0.001 to 12. My pivot break is going to be 0.002. I added at 12.14. My stop close is 10 on 2 consecutive closes. Then I'll look at the stock at next support at 7 and 8. Any questions? Any questions on the SRCO or the BFRE? Any questions on the SRCO or the BFRE? Great. So let's profit, and great job to all. Okay, keep up the good work. Take care, everyone.